Model 2015 Ford Transit T350L3H3 rear-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi needs turbo body, white, panel van mileage, 179,596 engine, 2,198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-J transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Underpowered turbo needs replacing, engine clutch and gearbox are 100% condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.